And the last question, sir, when you say we have to keep patience to get the fruits, particularly these talks, and one of your MLA recently we have seen, he have raised question about the number of seats that Tipramota has diverted from its own demand, that is the Greater Tipraland, and that you have made wait for BJP to win this election. On particularly Chittaranjan, the Burma had raised.
Regarding his statement, I think I'll deal with him at a different level, not through the media. As today you can ask any of my people, I have not given up my demand for Greater Tipraland. And I think there are processes in the party, and if someone has made a statement like this, I'm not aware that he has made a statement. If he has, then we will talk to him and we'll probably bring it to his knowledge that we have not given up a demand for Greater Tipraland or Article 2 and 3. It is very clear, and even today I've articulated that to him.
And made way for BJP.
No, you can't make way for BJP. BJP did not come to power in Delhi because of Tipramota. BJP came to power in Delhi because the opposition could not defeat the BJP in Uttar Pradesh, could not defeat them in Delhi, could not defeat them in Madhya Pradesh, in Gujarat. They got a lot of seats in Assam. It is not because of Tipramota that BJP is in power in center. And that MLA himself understands that we have to talk to all the party, whichever is in center, because our demand can be only fulfilled by the central party. If tomorrow Congress is in power, I'll talk to them. So my point is, Tipramota cannot bring Congress to power, and Tipramota cannot claim to take the credit of bringing BJP to power in Delhi. And we have to talk to whoever is in power in Delhi to get a constitutional rights.